I'm Josh Smithberger with Delphian Trading. I'm a trading strategist there. In this session, we'll be covering stock overview. When you log in the system, you're on the dashboard. There's two ways you can get to stock overview. There's a hot button in the top, or if you open up the menu under stocks, click stock overview. So the tabs at the top, this is where you can type in a symbol, Apple, and it'll bring up all the information for that stock. Under stock list, if you created one yourself, it'd be under the user defined, or there's a few predefined ones here also. Watch list, if you created your own watch list, those will populate here, so I have 36. So you can drop down and scroll through those. And then the last tab is today's transitions. So this is all based on state modeling. So you can see which ones transitioned to state 1 today. You had 7, and you can look at all their pertinent information. There's a drop down here where you can arrow. So if we go back to symbol, we type in Apple. So the tabs below provide all the stock information that we think is pertinent. The state modeling is our proprietary buy-sell indicator. So it gives you what state it's in. So this one's slightly bearish, and you get the expected moves down. And then you have your stop loss to the top. It gives you probabilities of where it's going next. And then gives you more information down below, range of prices, while in each state, bullish and bearish, average moves, average trading days in each particular state, and then just the general chart on the bottom with all the previous state transitions. Profile tab just gives general information on the company. The chart graph just gives the open, high, low, close graph. You can set it to different time periods. The options chain, you can select your expiration date here, weeklies or monthlies. And you can also select how many you want to see as far as the strikes. You can do 12, all. And it gives you the deltas here, the volume, open interest, bid, ask, and mid price, and here's the strikes. You also have this graph button. It's a graphical representation of the price, delta, vega, and theta. And you have volume on the bottom. We can just tab between those, toggle between them. Financials, it's just SEC filings for the company, income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Key statistics, historical information, sales per share, EBITDA. You can see through here, dividend yield. Past events, so earnings, dividends, and splits. Insider trading gives you all the transactions that are reported. You can go back in time. Institutional trading, similar. You can tab through the different subjects here. New positions, increased positions, decrease, etc. Any of the news, so this is pertinent news to the symbol that was entered. And the last one is the earnings tab. Well, this has sub-tabs, and we'll cover those in a separate video. It's like we'll do a separate video also for state modeling. What you can also do is go back and use the time machine also, so you can go back at the beginning of the month. Now update all the information in here based off the date you selected. So it's a quick video on the stock overview. If you have any questions or information is listed here.